Hello, I'm Rohan Pangilinan, isa sa mga finalists ng 2026 Montañosa Competitive Film Grants of Narrative category and ang writer ng All Chickens Lead to Taal. One thing about me is that I really love screenwriting. Yun yung favorite part ko ng filmmaking. And every time na nagsusulat ako ng story beat, parang na-excite ako, ganun. So, na-enjoy ko talaga siya. Yung moment na lumalaki yung story mo or the moment when a story starts to form by itself. I also grew up watching a lot of Pixar movies, especially yung classics nung early 2000s. And nagustuhan ko kung paano nila binibuild yung screenplays nila, especially yung paggamit lang ng mga simple characters. Minsan hayop sila, minsan laruan, ayun Toy Story, minsan emotion sila, yung characters mismo, iba-iba, minsan monsters, ganun. So, nagustuhan ko kung paano binibuild yung screenplay doon. And it's always deep and emotional. Sometimes even personal. So, hindi siya basta paastig lang na filmmaking. And ayun yung nag-inspire sa akin na magsulat ng sarili kong film gamit yung mga natutunan ko sa mga films na yun. So, this is actually my first time writing a story like this after watching so many Pixar films growing up. So, parang na-adapt ko na lang yung storytelling nila papunta sa story ko ngayon na All Chickens Lead to Taal. And it's my first time joining a grant. And it's my first time winning one. So, everything is a first. And ayun yung gusto ko talaga sa filmmaking. You never really know what's next for you. The film I'm making is all about a weak rooster who is forced to enter the cockfighting world. He learns how to fight, he learns how to use his body, pero sa dulo na-discover niya na hindi yun yung fight na kailangan niya. Yung katangi-tangi na magsasalba lang pala sa kanya is hindi yung claws niya, hindi yung katawan niya, kundi yung tilaok niya. So, instead of using violence na natutunan niya sa cockfighting, yung naging sandata niya is yung tilaok niya. Sa pamamagitan ng story na to, we also get to see yung beauty ng Taal Lake, yung culture ng sabong, and yung culture ng gambling. Lahat yan makikita natin through our simple characters and simple storytelling lang din. So, that's it. I really can't wait to watch this film, to make it, and I hope you will watch it soon too.